Hey sidekicks, strap in, we're about to launch. This is rocket fuel, where your breath becomes your booster pack. We'll shake it out and roar it out and blast off with power.
Let's fire up our engines and lift off.
Let's begin in an easy seat anywhere on the mat. Sit up really tall, crown of the head up, chin slightly tucked. Close your eyes. Place one hand on your belly, one hand on your knee. Let's practice belly breathing. This kind of breath work pulls us in to calmness and being grounded and centered into stillness. Inhale through the nose and feel yourself push your belly out. Now lift your chest. You're taking the biggest breath you can possibly take. Hold it there. And now exhale, drop your chest first. Now pull your belly in. 2 more like that. Inhale, belly, chest, hold. Exhale, drop your chest. Now pull your belly in. 1 more like that. Place both hands on your knees. Keep your eyes closed and just tune in to how you're feeling. Feeling calm. Noticing your breath, the stillness, the peace. The way that you're feeling right now is because of the breath you just took. Now in this calmness and in this stillness, I want you to reach your arm. You can open your eyes and reach your arms up. And now bend to the right. Left arm is reaching up and over, and you're just getting a nice deep stretch, opening up the side body. Inhale, both arms reaching up. Exhale, bend to the left. Right arm is reaching up and over, opening up the side body, big stretch. Inhale up. And exhale, hands through heart center and back onto your knees. All right, how you feeling?
Great.
Good. Okay, me too. Now look down at your legs and cross them in the other direction. So put your bottom leg on top. It might feel awkward, but this is how we create balance in the body. Now let's focus on breath of fire. So as you just experienced, that big belly breathing makes you feel so calm and so relaxed. Breath of fire is gonna make you feel so awake and so energized. And here's how you do it. Place one hand on your knee, one hand on your belly. As you inhale through the nose, push your belly out. And as you exhale, pull your belly in through the nose, really sharp. Now, I don't want you thinking about exhaling. I just want you thinking about contracting your belly and just pulling your belly in. And you can go really slow or really fast. You can go fast and then slow, whatever you want, all right? So here we go, big inhale. Breath of fire. If you lose your rhythm, just take a big breath and keep going. Push all the air out. Big belly breath. Now keep your eyes closed for a moment and just feel the energy coursing through your body. So much energy, feeling so alive. Both hands on your knees. Open your eyes. With all this energy, here's what I want you to do. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, sharp out the mouth, hands by your side. One more. Arms up, hands through heart center. Place your hands on your knees. Woo! Wow, that energy really took us somewhere. I feel like we just launched. We definitely launched. How are you feeling? Okay, so now child's pose. Open your knees up nice and wide. Bring your big toes together in the back. Sit down and fold forward. Let's practice belly breathing. So now we're gonna shift gears and we're gonna come back into that calming, energetic space, okay? So eyes are closed. You're laying your forehead down on the mat, in and out through the nose. Take a big breath in, push your belly out. Breathe out, pull your belly in. 2 more like that. And now just return to your natural breath and just feel into the state of your energy. How are you feeling? Are you feeling calm, relaxed, grounded? Good. With all this calm energy, reach your arms forward. Let's thread the needle. Take your hand under your arm and turn and look to that side. Feeling a big stretch. Twisting in the upper back, so relaxed, so grounding. And now on an inhale, reach forward with both hands. Exhale, other side. Turn and look to that side. You're laying your cheek and shoulder down on the mat. You're feeling strong, grounded, still. On an inhale, reach forward. Exhale, relax. Take a big round of belly breath. And now press yourself up to a kneeling position. So just sit up. Place one hand on your belly for breath of fire. We're gonna crank it up and just launch our energy, blast off, okay? So big inhale through the nose, push your belly out, and remember, exhale through the nose, sharp. Like that, ready? If you lose your rhythm, just take a breath and start over. If you want to speed up or slow down, do that. Okay, exhale it all out. Big breath. Just take a moment and notice what your energy is. Where did you just launch? You're feeling awake, alive, fired up. Let's shake it out. So roll forward, come into a downward facing dog. Look forward and jump for your feet to your hands. Now, roll up on an inhale, arms overhead, all the way up, and exhale, drop it out, hands come fast by your side. Inhale up, exhale sharp. One more. And now plant your hands. Go back to downward face. Come back to a kneeling position. All right, come back to your easy seat. Crisscross applesauce next to your side kick. All right, now place your hand on your belly and the other hand on your heart. Sit up really tall, and we'll finish with one big giant belly breath. Mission accomplished. You breathed like a rocket and landed in your power. Remember, your breath can calm you, energize you, and launch you into greatness.
See you next time, Space Explorer.